Hi, Timothy Unger here, and in this video I want to introduce integer arrays that are used in C. I've included my header file and have my main function created, and I'm going to create an integer array that will contain 5 items. And the way I do that is I type the type of array, so int for integer, then the name of the array, ages, then within square brackets, the number of items that it's going to hold. Now I can set values for each of the items in my array. Arrays start with index 0 typically in programming. So my first item, to set a value for that, I'm going to set it as 0. Index 0 is going to be the first value. And we're going to set that to 41. And I'm going to do ages 1, which is actually the second value. That's going to be 37. Then ages 2, that's going to be 357. Then ages 3, which is my fourth item, is going to be 4 million. And then ages 4, which is actually my fifth item, is going to be 61. Okay, now I can use these in a printf statement. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to create a printf statement. We're going to just have an opening, closing quotes. I'll have a /n within each of these, and then an ages and a particular age range, and then a semicolon to end. And I'm just going to repeat this line, so and then we'll fill it in more. Okay. All right. So the first one, we can say something like, I'm going to use characters from Supernatural naturally. So Dean is, I'm going to pass in an integer with the percent sign in D, years old. Okay. Now if we go over here, he is the first age. So I'm going to input 0 there. And then the next one I'm going to do, Sam is percentage D, years old. He's going to be the second age. So I'm going to go over here and insert 1. And then the next one is going to be Crowley is percentage D, years old. He's going to be the third item on my list. So I'm going to insert 2 here. Oh, not 22, just 2. Okay. And then Castiel will be the fourth one on my list. He'll be basically 4 million years old, but he is the fourth item on the list. So we're going to put 3 as its index, and then Bobby will be the fifth one on my list. So I'm going to say Bobby is percentage D, years old. And because he's the fifth item, his index is actually 4. Okay. At the end of this function, I'm going to return 0. Okay. And close out the function there and save. And now what I'm going to do is I am going to open up a terminal. Let's compile this and run it. Okay, so I'm going to type GCC. I got to change into the directory first, and then GCC and the name of the file, and then we'll output it without the .c extension. Okay, everything went well with that, and we can see Dean is 41, Sam is 37, Crowley is 357 years old, Castiel is 4 million years old, and Bobby is 61 years old. So that's a way that you can create an integer array and assign values to particular items in the array, and then use those particular items in the array in a printf statement. I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. It really does help the channel grow. I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.